To solve such complex equation, use the order of operation BODMAS, where first priority is given to bracket 12 plus 2, 14. Next, order where you solve for exponents like a raised to the power b. So solve for 6 square. Next comes division. So 36 division 4, 9. And that's the mistake one should always avoid because division and multiplication have same priority. So if both are given in the question, like in this one, solve the equation from left to right, whichever comes first, solve it. This becomes 56. Next division, and final answer is 47.